Hello, everyone. I just wanted to jump on here and remind you that tonight in Richmond, Virginia, we are hosting the Plant-Based Diet for Beginners release party. The book is out on many doorsteps right now. I hope you can make it from 7 to 8:30 at Hang Space. It's going to be a great event. Going to have free food, book signing if you want to bring a book. Also have some books there if you want to pick one up. And just a great time with other like-minded people. And I'll be giving my talk on my plant-based journey, but I hope you can make it. Going to have recipes from the book, including the blueberry muffins, the chili recipe. It's just going to be a great time. Hope you can make it. And if you're not able to make it, remember that the Plant-Based Diet for Beginners is now out for sale on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Angus & Robertson in Australia, Amazon in Canada, and the UK. Super excited about it. Hoping to change a lot of lives this holiday and New Year's resolution season. So if you're here in the Richmond area or surrounding area and you can make it out tonight, I'd really love to see you there. And we'll give you an update and a recap if you can't make it. But for that and for now, I love you. Hope you have a wonderful day.